Hey folks, you guys ever come home and find out that your significant other got into a little fender bender? Yep, it got hit right here. Got pushed in, this whole corner was crunched in. So what I did was, I took the wheel well out, 1, 2, 3 screws, peeled that back a little bit, stuck my arm in there and I pushed it back. I'm just gonna let Mother Nature soften it up a little bit. See, it's just a little bit of a little concave pushing over there, but it's plastic, it'll live. But I'm trying to get all the black marks out of it, so I'm using turtle wax polishing compound, the white polishing compound. So I got this out over here. There's a black stain here, so you can see the difference between clean and dirty. This is mostly clean out here. I did the same here. You can see where it's dirty. This is clean. I got this part of it out. Okay, I'm trying to do the light ones first and then work my way in towards the heavy black spot. All right, but don't look that bad so far. So, white polishing compound right here. Turtle wax makes it. It's a great thing. So I'm gonna set you up here. I'm gonna do this little part over here. That way I'm not boring you guys. Okay. And then I'll work on this piece and then I'll show you the finished product. So, I'm using these nice little cloths here. Bunch it up into a ball. Get enough compound in there. I'm gonna work on this side up here. How's that? Because you know, we all know that when you bring it to a body shop, most likely they're going to sell you a new front bumper. A lot of stuff can come off. You do a little elbow work, elbow grease work. Okay. Can I show you down here? Let's go a little further down. Right around there. Gonna finish this piece here off. Put a little dab up there for now. I think I took too much. There's no specific pattern. I mean, I did it in circular mode. Circular motion, but you could do it straight. Who are you at, buddy? My buddy Peter. Just a car passing, buddy. Just a car passing. Alright. Not bad. Not different than before. It's passable. Look at that. Still has a nice shine to it. Right, polishing compound is not as bad as the red compound. Red compound is really, really rough. It's good enough. Listen, it's a 2012. It's now 2025, so it's old enough to have a couple of scratches here and there. All right, I'm gonna work on the ones on top. I'm gonna work on this one here for a little bit. All right. Now I'm gonna end the video because you get an idea how it works. So let's get a new spot. Let's flip the cloth over to the other side. Use my nails a little bit into the cloth. I'm gonna dig it into a little bit. Like I said, this is where it was pinched in. Getting there. We'll try another spot. Give that one a little rest. using my nail into the cloth, so I'll give a little bit more, a little leverage there. It's actually a paint chip. You ain't getting that scratch off. What do you think? That looks good. Gonna find a nice, another clean little spot here. And saving no money by pinching out on these cloths. Just going up and down on the edge. All right, and that's it. A couple of little marks, but that's not from the accident. It's more like driving around with all the rocks kicking up and everything. So I think we're good. Let's polish it off with a new one. I gotta wash the car. Do the whole bumper now. Otherwise, this is going to clean the spot on the car. How funny would that be? You can see the little indent here now. All right, that's it. I want to thank you guys for hanging in there. If you hung out to the end. All right, here you can see the little indent right here. All right. That's it. Polishing compound works out great. Thanks for watching, folks.